Hello, my name is Majda and welcome to Intelswift. Before starting today's video, I want to give you a quick introduction to Intelswift. Intelswift is an AI-powered customer service platform built to help businesses automate support, reduce response times, and deliver better experiences across chat, calls, and messaging. It's designed for teams of all sizes, whether you're just starting or already scaling. Now that you know what Intelswift is, let's take a tour of the platform together. And you will land on our homepage. And here you can get a quick access to our products, Help Desk, Knowledge Hub, AI agents, channels, reports, Copilot, and the marketplace. You will also find some shortcuts like exploring our voice AI or exploring other products. From here, let's jump into one of the most important areas, the Help Desk. In the Help Desk, you can manage everything in one place: chats, calls, tickets, contacts, and segments. It's your shared inbox where your team can collaborate seamlessly. And on the top right, you will find the notification button, which keeps you updated on new chats, calls, and tickets instantly. After managing conversation, the next step is providing self-service support through the knowledge base. The knowledge base lets you create articles and collections that power your public help center. At the same time, these documents can also train your AI agents, making their replies more accurate and helpful. Speaking of AI agents, let's see how they fit in. In the AI agents section, you can create and train assistants that handle customer questions. They can be configured with workflows, actions, and settings to match your business needs. Of course, your AI and team need channels to talk to customer. So let's look at channels. Under channels, you can connect Intelswift with WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Viber, or your website widget. This way, all conversation flow into help desk no matter where your customers are. Once your agents and channels are connected, you want to track performance. That's where reports comes in. Reports give you detailed insights into team's performance, workload, and customer satisfaction. The Source tab shows where conversations are coming from, helping you measure the effectiveness of each channel. Now let's move on to one of the most helpful built-in tools, Swift Copilot. Swift Copilot is your AI assistant inside Intelswift. It helps you write replies, improve grammar, and even answer internal questions. You can access it from the Copilot tab right here or through the Copilot button on the top right, available from anywhere in the platform. And if you want to extend your setup even further, you will love the marketplace. The marketplace is where you find integration, apps, and AI-powered tools to enhance your workplace. It makes expanding your setup fast and easy. Now let's take a quick look at your profile and workspace option. At the bottom left, you will see your profile menu. Here you can update your name, profile picture, and status. You can also switch between workspaces, change your language, and access security settings. You'll also find links to the Help Center, status page, term and policies, and logouts. And to make onboarding smoother, Intelswift also includes some built-in guidance, onboarding checklist, and Help Center. New users get an interactive checklist to walk through setup step by step. And whenever you need help, you can always access the Help Center through the button at the bottom right corner. So that's the full platform overview with Intelswift. Everything you need from conversations to AI to reports is in one workspace. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into each feature so you can start using Intelswift like a pro.
Are you tired of unqualified leads flooding your CRM and wasting your team's time and budget? At Intelswift, our sales AI agent is built to change that. Qualifying leads, recommending products, and even scheduling demos when someone is ready to talk. Creating your sales AI agent takes just 2 clicks. Let me show you how. First, let's call AI agent Maria. Let's assign her a profession. And just like that, you now have an AI agent ready to work for your business. To unlock the real magic, you'll want to train the agent on your business data. Do you have a website with your value props, services, or product info? Just drop the URL. In just a few seconds, the agent extracts and understands your content, ready to sell for you. Next, tell the AI who are your customers so it can better qualify them and recommend them particular products. Use the configurations tab to define this, or let the AI auto-summarize it based on the content that it was trained on. It usually takes just a few seconds. All right, and now we are good to go. For the full control over the customer journey, explore our advanced workflows. You'll find both the common industry flows and AI-specific automations designed to boost your pipeline. Now that you're all set, head over to the Knowledge Center and start chatting with your AI agent and see if it can sell you your own product. That's when the real magic happens. Thanks for watching. Your smarter sales starts here with Intelswift.